Now, the reason why this is so important is having your tires properly inflated is going to give you the best performance, the best fuel economy.
There's been a lot of talk about stability control lately. Overseas authorities are calling it the biggest safety breakthrough since the seatbelt. Stability control works by braking individual wheels on your car to stop it from sliding out of control.
Your car has a smarter brain than you realize. But what if you're not accessing everything it can do for you? Throughout today's video, we're uncovering the silent heroes among your car's safety features, designed to protect you even when you're not paying attention. The best part, you'll wonder how you missed these life-saving tools all this time. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 1, Brake Assist System BAS. Picture this. You're cruising down a crowded road when, out of nowhere, traffic grinds to a sudden halt. Your foot slams the brake pedal. But what if your reaction alone isn't enough to stop in time? This is exactly where your car's Brake Assist System, or BAS, takes over without hesitation. BAS is designed to recognize when you're in a panic braking situation. It does this by analyzing 2 key factors: how quickly you press the brake pedal and how much pressure you're applying. If the system detects that you're braking hard but not pushing the pedal with enough force to maximize stopping power, it automatically engages full braking capacity. This small but precise adjustment can make a massive difference during critical moments. Number 2, Automatic Emergency Braking AEB. Imagine this scenario. You're driving through the city, everything seems calm, and then, without warning, a car ahead slams on its brakes. Before you can even process the situation, your car begins braking on its own. That's Automatic Emergency Braking, or AEB, stepping in to prevent disaster. This system uses advanced technology like cameras, radar, or sensors to constantly monitor the road ahead. If it detects an obstacle, whether it's another car, a pedestrian, or even a cyclist, it assesses your speed and distance instantly. If you're not responding quickly enough, AEB activates and applies the brakes for you. For example, imagine you're momentarily distracted or hesitate to react. AEB bridges that gap, acting faster than human reflexes. Number 3, Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Did you know your tire pressure can make or break your safety on the road? Underinflated tires might seem harmless, but they're a hidden risk. They make your car harder to handle, increase stopping distances, and even raise your chance of a dangerous blowout. On top of that, they drag down your fuel efficiency, costing you more with every mile. That's where the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, comes in. This system constantly checks the pressure in your tires using built-in sensors. If it notices a significant drop, it triggers a warning light on your dashboard, giving you time to act before things go wrong. For instance, say you're driving on the highway and your tire pressure dips below the safe range. Without TPMS, you might not catch the issue until it's too late. Number 4, Blind Spot Monitoring. You're cruising down the highway, preparing to switch lanes, when suddenly, there it is. Another car in your blind spot, dangerously close and completely hidden from view just moments ago. It's a situation every driver dreads, but it's one your car might already be designed to prevent. Blind spot monitoring uses radar or ultrasonic sensors to keep watch on areas you can't see in your mirrors. When it detects a vehicle in those tricky zones, the system warns you through subtle light indicators on your side mirrors or dashboard. Some systems even include an audible alert if you signal to change lanes while another car is there. This proactive spotlight on your blind spots isn't just about convenience. It's about avoiding potential sideswipes or more severe accidents. Number 5. Electronic Stability Control, ESC. What if your car could sense the moment you start losing control and step in before things spiral out of hand? That's exactly the job of Electronic Stability Control, or ESC. an unsung lifesaver most drivers overlook. ESC works by constantly monitoring your car's movement, using sensors to track your speed, steering angle, and wheel rotation. It compares where the car is actually going to where you want it to go. If it detects that you're skidding or veering off course, like during an icy turn or sudden maneuver, the system acts instantly. It applies brakes to individual wheels in just the right spots to stabilize your car. For instance, if you're oversteering, ESC might brake the front outside wheel to pull you back into line. Number 6. Rear cross traffic alert. How often have you found yourself reversing out of a tight parking spot, only to come dangerously close to hitting something or someone you never saw coming? Backing up can feel like one of the riskiest parts of driving, especially when your view is blocked. That's where Rear Cross Traffic Alert, or RCTA, becomes a crucial safety tool. This system uses radar-based sensors in the rear bumper to detect moving vehicles, pedestrians, or even objects like bicycles approaching from either side of your car. The moment it picks up something in your path, it triggers both visual and audible warnings, like a flashing light near your mirrors or an urgent series of beeps. These alerts demand your attention in those split seconds when a simple misstep can lead to a collision. Number 7. Adaptive headlights. Imagine driving on a dark, winding road late at night. Your headlights shine straight ahead, but what about the curve just up the hill? That's where adaptive headlights quietly step in, shifting the game entirely. Using sensors to track your steering angle and vehicle speed, adaptive headlights pivot to follow the direction you're about to travel. Heading into a sharp curve, the beam adjusts to light up the road ahead, giving you a clear view of what's coming even before you turn. This feature doesn't just help you. It also minimizes glare for oncoming drivers by carefully managing the focus and brightness of the beam. Number 8. Lane Departure Warning, LDW. Ever felt your steering wheel vibrate or a sudden beep chime in when you drift out of your lane? Many drivers dismiss these as minor annoyances, not realizing the critical role they play in preventing accidents. Lane Departure Warning, or LDW, is specifically designed to tackle one of the biggest risks on the road: unintentional lane drifting caused by fatigue or distraction. Here's how it works. A camera mounted behind your windshield monitors the lane markings around your car. If the system detects your vehicle straying out of the lane without using a turn signal, it alerts you through sounds, visual signals, or even subtle vibrations in the wheel or seat. This instant feedback snaps your focus back to the road, ensuring you can make a quick correction. Number 9. Post-collision braking. What happens after an accident can often be just as dangerous as the initial crash itself. That's why post-collision braking exists, to step in during those chaotic moments when more damage could still occur. Few drivers know about this feature, but in multi-car pileups or busy traffic, it can make all the difference. The system activates automatically after an initial impact, using sensors and control modules already embedded in your vehicle, like those found in anti-lock brakes or electronic stability control. Post-collision braking quickly applies the brakes to bring your car to a complete stop. This rapid response is critical, especially if the driver is stunned, injured, or otherwise unable to react. By halting the vehicle, the system reduces the risk of being pushed into oncoming traffic or hitting additional cars or obstacles. Number 10. Driver Attention Monitoring System. Did you know your car might sense you're tired before you even realize it? Driver Attention Monitoring Systems, DAMS, are designed to catch signs of drowsiness or distraction, pinpointing dangers you might not notice until it's too late. This advanced feature is one of the most proactive safety measures built into modern vehicles. Using in-cabin cameras and sensors, the system observes your eye movements, head positioning, and even your steering patterns. For example, abrupt lane swerves or inconsistent corrections might signal fatigue. Once it detects these behaviors, DAMS immediately alerts you with sounds, dashboard warnings, or even vibrations, encouraging you to pull over and rest. Some systems go further. Mercedes-Benz models can gently vibrate the wheel to guide the car back on track if swerving occurs. Your car is smarter and safer than you think. It's time to unlock its full potential. Many of the life-saving features we've covered today are already sitting quietly in your vehicle, waiting to protect you. The first step? Pull out your car's manual and explore these systems in detail. It's packed with everything you need to know about activating and using each feature properly. Still have questions? Visit your dealership. They can demonstrate how these features work in real-world scenarios and highlight tools you may have overlooked. Understanding your car's technology isn't just helpful, it's essential for making the most of what's already built to protect you.